Hey there everyone, this is Mark Shelton with ProHangers Supply, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about the GAU140 Material Dispenser by tapo-fix. As you can see from the shirt I'm wearing today, not wearing a ProHangers Supply shirt today. Today I'm wearing a paperwork shirt because I'm an installer as well. I'm a user of the tapo-fix products, and that makes me a believer. So I want to talk to you a little bit about our project today that we're going to use this dispenser on. It's a product, most of you are familiar with the pasting machines, but may not be as familiar with the material dispensers. So I'm going to turn this thing around. So this is what we've got. This is designed to dispense materials, dry goods, roll goods neatly, and be able to measure and to be able to dispense these products without having to roll them out on the floor, without having to put marks on your table and slide large 54-inch rolls or 60-inch rolled goods along your table. It's just a neat and efficient way of doing that. As you can see, there are two rollers here that your material can sit on and that rolls on, and then an adjustment to where it can be changed to widen the base to accommodate larger rolls. There's also a strip cutter here that you can attach a razor, the same type you use in your double cutting tools, like an old shaving razor, and it will cut the material as it is pulled through the machine. I'm going to get this set up. We've got a job today that I like to use a pasting machine whenever I can, but today we've got to do this little bump out on the elevator. 4 drops, 2 on either side, a head or above, and then that's going to be in 54-inch vinyl. We're going to be installing that with 880. We've already put some draw tite on the walls, got it drying. Now we've got to do this little inset in the ceiling, little tray with some acoustical felt, and I'm going to be installing that with clay. Got that priming and drying, so we're going to go ahead and cut our strips while that's drying and show you how this works. So on a job like this, it just doesn't really make sense to break out a pasting machine for this little bit of vinyl, and we were going to use the dispenser anyway to measure our acoustical felt. So just a good opportunity to demonstrate this machine and how useful it can be on jobs like this, but it's also useful in other scenarios where you're trying to sort panels of any materials. Now these dispensers this is the widest, they come in narrow widths, 43-inch wide and 32-inch wide working widths, so you can get them to work with residential width non-wovens and other materials like that. So I'm going to pause this, be back in a minute.